picture. That's not a picture.
Oh. Sorry. We're at tea time.
Tea time. I only had a little drink.
A little. Over half. There's not enough Nutella. We need some more Nutella.
This lady, why she over there talking to the crepe?
I don't know. She want more Nutella though. Are you recording me?
Yeah, I am. Duh. They better hurry up my crepe. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not open it. Wait, no, I have one. I just don't use it. I have one. I just don't use it. Because I told you I'm a mid YouTuber. Yeah. What kind you get?
Could be a triangle.
What? You said, what you got? Nutella banana too?
No, just Nutella.
Oh, I got Nutella banana. Why the whipped cream look like that?
Great.
That's such a fake reaction.
I don't know what you mean.
It's for the vlog. You gotta be real.
I mean, I am a real person. I'm real. Hi guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And share, yeah. And follow my Instagram at, it's gonna be right there. Wait, I need your turn. I'm using chopsticks.
You're on video saying that. Stop making my face. Ashlyn's eating Korean barbecue for the first time.
There's no chopsticks because I don't know how.
She don't fell in love, y'all. Oh, isn't this it just came out. Peter and Wendy or something?
This is the old one though.
Oh, is it?
I think this is Hook.
Yeah, you see all this. I just got all this cat food. For the cats. No, don't try to run. No, don't try to run. Get back here and show what you got. Maria is pushing it. Oh my gosh, people are probably looking at me. Why is this bitch recording me? Me and Maria got the goods. Oh, she got a t-shirt too. Are you gonna wear that tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow.
See, that's smart. I should have got a shirt so I could wear mine. Me and Maria out here. We're gonna get something to eat.
Food.
Yes. Maria's starving and she needs coffee. Maria's like, act natural. Cute. I was gonna wear this like style. This was a trial run. I was gonna wear this style tomorrow for that concert, but I don't know. I think it's too much. I have white bows because my outfit tomorrow is like based off a white shirt, but it's also a colorful shirt. So I was going to maybe do the style with my white bows, but I'm still not sure it looks right. I'm not trying to look like a toddler. I was gonna wear my hat this black and white bucket hat I have. If you hear snoring, the dogs are in my room right now. So, and they're sleeping. So, and I'm probably disturbing them, but they'll be okay. But, yes, you guys, look at the bag. And yeah, and we can bring this tomorrow for the I was worried about buying this because I was like, I'm not gonna buy it if I can't bring it to the concert because I don't have a light stick. So this it shall be. That's gonna be at the concert. Y'all know I don't do the thing. I don't do that. I don't do that. That's why I don't want a light stick anyway, because I don't do that. I don't do the I do that. I'm gonna be in there. Anyway, so I got that. I got this keychain. I made a keychain for the concert and I went and bought one, but you know, do what I do, right? This is the one I made. It has my photo card of Yeonjun in it. And yeah, I made this one. I make keychains, you know. Hi, Roro. I make keychains, you know, at my business, K-pop and aesthetics. Da-da-da. Okay. So yeah, I got a keychain. I got this sticker set. It has two different kinds. It has like a clear sticker set and then like a metallic one. It's really cute. And I got two photo card sets. I have not opened them yet because yeah, I know how I get. I'll get a little flustered about unboxing or revealing photo cards. But yeah, so now I am just making keychains to give away at the concert. And yeah, D1 concert day. So all the stuff that you might have seen prior to me talking is like stuff that I did today with my coworker / friend Maria. And that's basically it. You guys know I film from my phone, so I'm trying not to put a lot of videos and stuff in my phone right now. I'm gonna try to actually export some of the stuff on my computer for tomorrow so I can clear my phone for tomorrow. Other than that, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you next video. Bye. Wait, let me see if I can get a little cutie over there at the bar. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, forget. No, girl, who you telling me to? Forget the chicken. I want him. That's what I want. Nah, y'all don't understand. First of all, the lighting is really bad in here, but y'all don't understand. Like, the bartender here is... And they put me in his view. Don't they know that's danger? And then the little manager here, too. He's short, B. Everybody and their mama here. Everybody was smart and made a reservation. They turned some people away, though, because they didn't make a reservation.
Yeah, they did.
I feel bad. Everybody for this concert, though, is dressed so hot. Like, hot people listen to TXT. That's it. That's it. Everybody just is dressed up so well. I feel so mid. Maria is starving. We saved our apple. He smiled, y'all. I gotta go. excited.
I just wanna be a dog. So cute.
Right? Tell them bye. Okay, so I was telling Maria how my Delulu like just kicked in because I was like, I just can't believe I saw Yeonjun in person. And I was like, what if I would have just threw my body off the second floor and like I could have landed on Yeonjun.
Say bye to them?
Yeah. They were saying bye to everything anyway. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Bye second floor. Bye first floor. Bye ground floor. Bye confetti. Bye camera guys. Bye.
I love them though. They're so nice.
They're so sweet. Oh. They're sweet faces. They're so sweet. I know I'm working on get some food, guys, because I'm hungry. I have a headache. I'm pretty sure it's from the speakers, but next time I think I'm gonna get earplugs or something.
Not the earplug.
Because I think I'm getting too old. I can't do the whole like loud stuff.